Yeah, it does look
great
lovely
with the drought.
Yeah, it's what you don't see that's going to get you. You know what, windy today, and we do have a fire danger, so let's hop right into it. Looking beautiful, though, down the shore. Jan, I still don't know why we're not doing a show down there on the shore, like just sitting on the sand.
We have been efforting that for, what, 2-3 years now?
You know what, yeah, someday this will happen. All right, beautiful in Margate. As we look north, we have gentle waves coming in, blue skies. It is a little bit on the cool side still. We're in the 50s. We're going to stay pretty much in the upper 50s to low 60s. I think those upper 50s will probably be up closer to the Poconos, and the low 60s will be in Philadelphia and down the shore. 55 right now in Philadelphia, 55 in Reading, it's 53 in Atlantic City, and 50 in Allentown. Everybody has sunshine, a few extra clouds up into the Poconos and the Lehigh Valley right now because, well, we still have a few clouds with a system that's off to the west. Not a big deal. Plenty of sunshine for everybody today. But because we have that system that is off to the west, that high pressure, it's pulling down a lot of dry air, and that's coming across the area. It's going to be gusty today as well as far as the winds. We're going to see wind gusts to 30 miles an hour and humidity between 20 and 30%. So we do have a red flag warning that's been issued through 6 o'clock tonight for all of southeastern Pennsylvania and all of New Jersey. Now, this doesn't include you in Delaware, but that does not mean that you are exempt. No open flames. We have burn bans out there. You have to be very careful with fire because the entire area is under a severe drought. Even worse than that, we have an extreme drought here for much of South Jersey. So this isn't going away, and we have that red flag danger every time we get those winds picking up. We're not going to see any rain that's going to help us out until maybe Wednesday night, and I think Thursday we have a pretty good chance of it. It could even linger into very early on Friday. So let's walk through what's going to happen. We have high pressure in place. Now, this is the system to the west, pulling in some clouds off of the Great Lakes, also pulling in that northwest wind that is very cool and dry, and it's going to drift off to the south of us. So we have sunshine today, a few high clouds tomorrow ahead of this next system. So this is the first of 3 fronts. We're thinking, yes, this thing is going to bring us rain. No, it fizzles out like so many of them have. Then we get another one coming in here on Tuesday. So a mix of sun and clouds Tuesday. This looks impressive, but no, the rain goes to the south of us. Maybe you in Delaware and a few spots of South Jersey get spotty showers. Third time is the charm, though. Here comes this one on Wednesday. This could be pulling up a little bit of tropical moisture as well. But for the most part, this is just a good old-fashioned winter storm. Look at the cold air wrapping in on the back, denoted by the blue. That would be snow. Watch this as it goes by. It's a double whammy. We get the first front coming in here Thursday, bringing us the rain, and then there is a trailing front with a reinforcing push of cold air. We're not expecting snow in Philadelphia. They could see it in Pittsburgh, across the Ohio Valley, and in the Midwest. Maybe even a few flurries flying in the Poconos. But for the most part, that second front comes through and leaves us quite cold for next weekend. And quite cold, I mean, maybe not even out of the 40s next Saturday. 63 in Philadelphia today, 62 down the shore, and we're looking at 59 in the Lehigh Valley. Now for tonight, grab that extra blanket. It'll be a chilly one. 38 in Philadelphia, 39 down the shore, and we're looking at 35 in the Lehigh Valley. A beautiful full moon as well. It is the last supermoon of 2024, so get a peek at it if you can. We'll see 62 tomorrow, 67 as the front goes by dry on Monday, dry front on Tuesday. Here comes the front that may bring us rain for our Thursday and Friday, but look at that temperature drop. It's going to be a cool one.